this, this, and that. This was how much YouTube actually paid me. Hello, I'm Rick Shui, and welcome to another episode right here on this channel. Now, have you ever considered the idea of starting a career online, particularly video creation content? Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube actually paid me on my recent video. Okay, maybe you want to start YouTube, but you're wondering how much you can earn, right? Now, this video will actually give you a fair idea of how much you should be expecting in some of the videos that you are about to start creating. Okay, if you're ready, let's get started. Recently, one of my videos hit 500,000 video views on YouTube, right? That's 500,000. And so the bigger question is, did that video actually made me rich? So I will be revealing to you how much I earned on that video and what factors actually influenced that particular video on the amount involved. Okay, when a video begins to gain attraction, okay, the views alone are not enough to determine how much you earn. Okay, now a few factors actually influence how much you earn on YouTube. Okay, so first you need to be part of the YouTube partner program, which is the YPP. Now this requires you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so the watch hours simply means that if you create a YouTube channel today, 22nd April 2025, next year 22nd April 2026, you should be able to get your 4,000 watch hours. Now imagine you created a channel today and 2 days or 3 days you're able to get your 4,000 watch hours. It means you can monetize. Okay, after you've monetized, okay, YouTube now pays you through a system called AdSense. Now this is where adverts are being displayed on your videos. Okay, so the kind of adverts you get also determines the amount you earn on YouTube. Okay, now these are some few foundations that you need to understand. So now let's talk about the broader factors that influence how much you earn on YouTube. Okay, so one is the CPM. The CPM is the cost per mile. Okay, so the cost per mile simply means that how much advertisers are willing to pay on every 1,000 views on your videos. Okay, so depending on the type of content you create will determine your CPM. Okay, so some content has a CPM of, let's say, $100, 50, 60, 70. Some has a CPM of $2. Okay, this is based on the content that you create. Okay, so you might have the same 1,000 views, I must also have the same 1,000 views, but then our CPMs will vary. Okay, now the second factor is the audience location. Where are people watching you from? So when you get people watching you from certain countries, you're able to earn more money. Okay, so if you get people watching you from countries like US, Canada, Australia, Germany, Italy, UK, France, Spain, it means that you could be earning more as compared to people in Africa or within some Asian countries. Okay, the reason being that advert that will have to give you money, they will skip it just to watch the video. And so please, we are begging you, whenever you're watching our videos, trying to stay a bit longer to watch the ads. Okay. So the third factor influencing how much you earn is the niche. Okay, what kind of niche do you cover? Okay, that's the topic that you create content on. Okay, so contents like, or let's say niches like insurance, mortgage, real estate, personal finance have higher CPM as compared to music, comedy, and the rest. Okay, so this also influences how much you earn as a creator. Okay, so the fourth factor influencing how much you earn is the ad format. Okay, what kind of ad format are being displayed on your videos? Now on YouTube we have 4 ad formats: the pre-roll, mid-roll, post-roll, and then image ad. Okay, let me explain that. Now the pre-roll means that you have to watch a certain advert before the video plays. Now the mid-roll is in the middle of the video, an advert plays, and then the post-roll at the end of the video, the advert plays, and then the image ad is just an image being displayed on the video. Now all this influence how much you earn as a creator. On every video, right, it is difficult to get everybody to watch from the beginning to the end. So the best ad format is the pre-roll ad, because that you are forced to watch at least 15 seconds before the video plays. So if the viewer doesn't stay to the end of the video, at least the creator earns some money. Okay, but instances where your adverts are in the middle or at the end, it means that if people don't watch up to where the advert is, it means that you are losing out. Okay, now let's come back to me. How much YouTube actually paid me on a 500,000 video views, and so what are you going to consider that if it is worth it or not? Okay, let's go into my dashboard. Let me show you something. Hello guys, so this is the video I've been talking about. Okay, so the video was on LGBTQ, right? And so the video, from the analytics, the video gave me 513,000 views. I got 9.34k comments. I got 12k likes, okay, on that single video. Okay, now let's go into my main YouTube studio where I can show you the revenue for that video and how much YouTube actually paid me, and my CPM. You can also get to assess my CPM. Okay, this is my YouTube studio now. Okay, now you can see that the video actually reached 6.2 million people around the world. Okay, my click-through rate, that is the percentage of which people were engaging at the time, was 6.9, not bad. And then the video gave me 513,000 views. Okay, that was about that particular video, LGBTQ. Okay, that was a social story, so I don't think my CPM was that very massive. But then this was how viewers actually found my video. So you can see on top how viewers found this video, right? 61% of this was suggested by YouTube because people were interested in that topic, okay, the conversation around LGBTQ. So YouTube felt that this was a very valuable content, very insightful, so let me share it to people or recommend it to people, and so YouTube actually did that. Then let's check the engagement for that video. Now with the engagement, the number of hours that people spent on that video was 32,000 hours. That was very massive. So you can see it here, watch hour 32,000. Then how many minutes were they watching? Okay, so average person was watching 3 minutes 46 seconds. That's not bad, right? Then what else? Yeah, so the audience retention was 3.46. okay, that's that. And then so let's go to the audience, right, where the audience were watching me from on this particular video. So now the video, before I get to the audience, the video gave me 3,100 subscribers. Just a single video. You can see it here, right? You can see it here. Single video was giving me 3,100 subscribers. Wow, that's very, very impressive. Okay, now let's get to the people who subscribed to my channel. Now those who even subscribed to my channel was just 0.2%. Those who didn't even subscribe but were watching was 90. This is so crazy, right? And then you can see the device type. Okay, what kind of device were the people watching me on? Okay, that was it. And then let's look at the top geography, right, where people were watching me from. You can see the United States was my best bet. So UK was my second, Ghana was third, South Africa, then Canada. Okay, now when I click see more, I can see more countries that were watching. Okay, then you can see the age group of people. Okay, let me go back. Now you can see the age group of people. Okay, the people that were watching this content, what is their age group? You can see 18 to 24, 25 to 34. You can see the age range, right? So this is it over here. Let's go to the bigger issue, how much YouTube actually paid for that video. Okay, so now remember I said your CPM, okay, will actually determine how much you earn. Okay, now this was how much advertisers were willing to pay on that video. They're willing to pay $3.90. Okay, that is my CPM for that particular video. Okay, so it's not that bad. Okay, now imagine my CPM was around $40 or $50. That would have been a big blow, right? $961 was how much I made on a single video on that particular video, LGBTQ. Okay, because at the time the conversation surrounding LGBTQ was very massive, and so whenever you create content around it, you will be getting massive views on that. So the viewer location favored me. US, UK, and Canada favored a bit, and then my CPM was low, not that bad, and so I was able to make something small. Okay, so guys, this is how much you earn on a video that goes viral on YouTube. Okay, now this same number of views, right, a channel with a high CPM could be making around $10,000 or $50,000. So $960 on a single video, is it worth it? Of course, absolutely it does. Okay, for me it's not just about the money alone, but then it's the exposure. Okay, a CPM of $3.90 and getting an extra 3,100 subscribers for me was something worth talking about. Okay, if you want to get started with YouTube with the motive of making a quick cash in the short term, you could be disappointed. Okay, but in the long run it is paid off. Okay, because content is key and consistency is key.